Hey there, little chefs. Welcome back to Imagine, Learn, Create. My name is Gigabit, and today we have a super yummy adventure planned. We're going to learn how to make the most delicious grilled cheese ever. But remember, always have an adult with you in the kitchen. Right. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need bread, butter, and yummy cheese. And of course, always wash your hands before cooking. Ask your grown-up to help you spread some butter on one side of each slice of bread. This will make our grilled cheese extra crispy and tasty. Now take your favorite cheese and put it on the unbuttered side of one slice of bread. You can use one type of cheese or mix different ones for a super cheesy sandwich. Take another slice of bread buttered side up and place it on top of the cheese. Now we have a sandwich ready to cook. This is really important, little chefs. Always ask an adult for help when using the stove. Safety first, right? With your grown-up's help, place the sandwich on a pan over medium heat. Let it cook for a few minutes until it's golden brown. Keep an eye on it. Ask your adult to help you carefully flip the sandwich so the other side can get all golden and delicious, just like magic. Now that our grilled cheese is ready, let it cool for a bit. The cheese inside is gooey and hot, so we don't want any burnt little fingers. Yum! Our grilled cheese is so yummy. Remember to enjoy it with your favorite fruit or veggies for a balanced meal. Well, that's it for today's Imagine, Learn, Create adventure. You did an amazing job making grilled cheese. Give yourselves a big high five. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more cooking fun. Bye, little chefs.